welcome to this Easy Tech News channel, and we want to talk a little bit about Google Project Zero here. Google has a security side of its company, which is a project that was started many years ago, and it's there to increase the safety of our technology, basically. So Google's Project Zero is something that checks different software, hardware of different manufacturers around the world, and of course tries to find any flaws or security problems in these devices and in the software. And it actually sends out weekly dozens and dozens of reports to different companies around the world, giving them an idea of security holes in their own products. This is nice because it actually tells you that, somebody's checking it out somewhere to make sure that we stay safe on our devices. It actually reports on security flaws in Windows and Linux, in Mac OS, in iOS and Android, and many other software, including, Adobe software like Photoshop and so on. Anything that is actively used is checked and tested with a security team that does only one thing, tries to find its security flaws. Once they find a security flaw, what they do is they tell the company about it, and they most of the time will give a proof of concept. That means they're going to show the company how it's done. And they usually keep quiet, but they do have a rule that if within a certain amount of time nobody has done anything to fix the problem, they will publicly disclose the problem. And the reasoning behind this is simply that they want companies to take action and fix security holes in their software. For example, in the latest news that we had about security flaws, Windows has a major zero-day flaw already exploited by hackers out there. Microsoft is supposed to fix this in the patch Tuesday of next week. And usually when they talk about it or they say that there's something, it's because it's been a little while since they told the company, and the company still hasn't done anything. So it's kind of a cool thing, and it's really nice to have a team at Google that actually checks for security flaws in software and hardware that is used every day. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.